JITbase is a software solution for manufacturers that have CNC machines in the factory. As a plant manager, you know that idle machines equate to lost productivity. Machine monitoring software exists, but that only tells you how bad things are. JITbase goes further, showing how to use machines more efficiently. In a typical factory, one operator is assigned to each CNC machine. When using JITbase, the software helps the operator know where to go and when, so one operator can be responsible for many machines. It works by listening to the data produced by CNC programs. When a program starts, lines of computer code tell the machine what to do. JITbase is only interested in a few key events during this process. These events indicate if the machine is running, lights out, or is stopped, waiting for something only a human operator can do, such as change a part or start a new program. These waypoints also help estimate when the program will be finished. This is pretty straightforward if you have one operator per machine, but JITbase helps operators manage several machines. How is this possible? Think of driving. If you look at a map, you can estimate the time to your destination, if there's no construction. These days, we all use GPS because an app can detect heavy traffic and show us an alternate route so we still arrive on time. The shop floor has a similar problem. The plant manager has a deadline to produce a certain number of parts, so he makes a plan and hopes everybody sticks to it. But like traffic, programs don't always run on time. Here's where JITbase is most helpful. The waypoints captured by the software inform us if the program is delayed for all the machines in the factory. So, just like the GPS that found a faster route, our OPS, or optimal path system, finds an optimal path for each operator. The optimal path means the optimal sequence in which to start programs on CNC machines that can run lights out, while operators tend to machines that need human intervention. Without the OPS, machines sit idle because the operator tends to think only about one machine at a time. The OPS is a real-world application of AI, constantly rerouting traffic on the shop floor. When programs run long or unplanned stops occur, the OPS provides the plant manager with an up-to-the-minute schedule that deals with delays and suggests the latest optimal sequence of events to get back on track. No operator or manager can constantly recalculate the order in which machines should be started to get optimal production, just as no one can constantly refresh all the possible alternate routes while driving. Our industry has dealt with a shortage of skilled labor for a decade now. The OPS helps you get the most out of the skilled workers you already have. OPS guides the operator to make optimal decisions, allowing him to be responsible for several machines at once, increasing uptime even when faced with unplanned stoppage.